So this is to demonstrate how to get started with the Android app Tell Me Stories. It's an app intended for children developing their language skills, kids learning to read. It's an app for those children and their parents. You can easily use the phone or the tablet to create your own stories with your own pictures from the phone. Create stories with your own pictures and your own words. And this movie is probably going to be about 5 minutes. How to get started. So here we are in the Google Play Store. There you can see Tell Me Stories. If you go into Android apps in Google Play apps, search for Tell Me Stories and you'll find it. You can install it from there. I'm going to open up the app. There you see it. It's the blue icon, Tell Me Stories, down there near Twitter. And the first time, the only time this agreement screen comes up is the first time that you start the app. One time only. You just need to agree to this. The reason that this screen is here is because the storage for the current release of the app is on the cloud. And by agreeing and clicking the I agree button here, you're agreeing to make an account. It'll be pretty transparent, but you make an account at parse.com. And as long as you do not erase the app, uninstall the app, and remove all data, as long as you do not do that, you will always have access on that device to the books that you create under this account. So I'm going to click I agree. So we return to the normal landing page of the app where the status message is one of two things. If you have books and pages, it tells you a list of the pages. If you're brand new, it will say it's looking for your data. So from here we can create the first book, and to do that I'm going to position my finger on the left hand side and swipe the page to the right. That brings up the sliding menu, and I'm going to click on New Book and supply a title. I supplied the title. I'll tap on the Save button, and it says the book was created. And it tells me to use list books, so now I'm going to list my books. And there, because I already had a book, it's listing two. Obviously, your first time, it would just list your first book. So the book I just created, Burn New, I'm going to click on that and start adding pages. This is the landing page for the book that I just selected. And again, I'm going to go back to the sliding menu, a tap in the upper left or swipe. That gets me back to the menu where I select picture. So the process of creating a new page involves the picture line from this menu and the picture comment line from this menu. So first, picture. And I'm selecting a gallery. This should be if you're used to using your gallery, this should be a familiar deal here. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to tap a picture. And there you see the picture that I selected. Now I'm back in creating my book. Picture's been brought back into the book, so I am going to tap the Save button. And there will be 3 times during the process creating the page I'm going to tap this. So the first time, the fishbowl icon in the upper right for save, I'm going to tap that. And there you see the save dialog. That's done. So the picture is up on the cloud. Now I'm going to go back to the menu. and I'm going to supply comments, so I'm going to tap on the microphone for picture comment. And there, that brings up a page with the keyboard, the picture, and a text input field. But you'll also notice on the keyboard, because I have a new phone and it's got Google Voice typing selected in the settings for the phone under language and input. So I can use that microphone icon. I'm just going to tap that. This is an example new page for a new book on Burning Man, period. The artwork is once again out in the desert, period. And so I supplied the narrative. I tapped on the pause button, and that looks good. I see the text, I see the page, so I am going to hit, for a second time now, I'm going to hit that save button, the fishbowl icon in the upper right. That brought the text back to the page, and a third time now, I'm going to hit that fishbowl icon, the save button. And there you see the update was completed. So I added that page. I created a new book. I added the page. So now we should be able to go in and view the book. So I am going to go back to the menu, select that new book. And here we're in read mode for the book I created. I put one page in it. There's the page I put into it. Now I'm going to, in read mode, this is a feature for kids. I'm going to tap on the speaker icon on the action bar. The upper right, there's a light colored speaker icon. That brings up text to the page, and here children can just swipe at the text with their finger. And then that turns it to blue. Then hit the speaker icon.
This is an example.
And you can see it speaks whatever highlighted text there was. And this is designed to be iterative. So quickly I'm going to go back to the menu for edit, and there you can see an edit of that page. I can click on that. I can click on the text on that, and that takes me back into an edit where I can change that page. So that's it. That's getting started. Thank you.